This review focuses on the Sweetums Signatures 744,200 filter replacement. Specifically, it's for the Liebherr 7,440,000 and 7,440,002 refrigerator water filter. You get a convenient 2-pack. Think of this filter as your refrigerator's unsung hero. It works tirelessly behind the scenes. This filter is a crucial part of your kitchen's symphony. It ensures every glass of water is refreshing. It's a key player for pure ice. Many people forget about water filters. However, clean water is so important. This Sweetums 2pk Liebherr water filter delivers. It truly makes a difference. Furthermore, installation is a breeze. It fits perfectly. You just twist it in. No special tools are needed. Moreover, the water tastes noticeably better. It's like a clear mountain spring. All impurities vanish. Your ice cubes sparkle. This Sweetums 2pk Liebherr water filter performs wonderfully. Additionally, it offers great value. 2 filters mean fewer worries. You are prepared for future changes. Therefore, your family enjoys consistently clean water. It's a small investment, yet it yields big benefits. This filter is a quiet guardian. It protects your health. Finally, consider the longevity. Each filter lasts a long time. You get months of fresh water. Consequently, you save money. Also, you reduce plastic waste. That's good for the planet. This Sweetums 2pk Liebherr water filter is a smart choice. It simplifies your life. Overall, it's a dependable product. It provides peace of mind. Truly, this filter is highly recommended. It's an essential upgrade. Pros: ice maker started working again. Exact replacement. No problems so far. Fits and priced right. No leaks, no issues. Nearly half the price. Working just as efficiently. Great value for the price. Perfect fit. Filters water well. No unusual taste or color cons. May affect water pressure. Ice maker stopped working. Not as effective as name brand. Technician advised against it. Clicking noise from water pipe features. Sweetums Signatures brand. Filter replacement for Liebherr refrigerators. Model 7,440,000. Compatible. Model 7,440,002 compatible. Refrigerator water filter. Comes in a 2-pack. Easy to replace. Ensures clean water. Reduces impurities. The Sweetums Signatures 2-pack water filter is a replacement designed for Liebherr refrigerators. It works with models 7,440,000 and 7,440,002. This filter is easy to install and helps make sure your water is clean by reducing impurities. Sweetums Signatures 744,200 water filters are a great replacement for Liebherr refrigerators. They cost about half the price of the brand name filters. Fit perfectly and don't leak. Users found they work just as well at filtering water, with no strange taste or color, and even fixed a non-working ice maker. However, some users experienced reduced water pressure, a clicking noise, or found them less effective than the name brand filters. And one technician even advised against using them.